Isn't it appalling that this year is called 2021? After almost a year of quarantining, isolation, wearing masks, sanitizing, panic buying, binging on Indian matchmaking, binging on American politics, we finally have vaccines ready. On January 3rd, the DCGI approved of 2 vaccines in India for restricted emergency use, namely Covaxin and Covishield, each developed by different entities. Except that many people were quick to point out that Covaxin hasn't cleared the stage 3 or the phase 3 of the clinical trials yet, which is true. Hi, I'm Neha and welcome back to this week's episode of What the Fact is Going On. Today, let's tackle this claim and a little brief about the vaccine situation in India. First things first, let's talk about the 2 vaccines in India. Both these vaccines have been approved for restricted emergency use only, which means it can't be used for mass vaccination as of now. The first phase includes vaccinating 1 crore healthcare workers and 2 crore frontline workers. Secondly, Covishield and Covaxin are based on the traditional vaccine model, that is an inactivated form of the virus. So in other words, they are not like the mRNA vaccine being produced by Moderna and Pfizer. And lastly, Covishield was labeled to be over 70% effective. There was no data available on Covaxin, which raises some red flags. Now we all know how long the approval process for vaccines take. First, you identify the vaccine strain, then identify characteristics of vaccine strain, then start preclinical testing on small animals, eventually moving on to preclinical testing on large animals. All of this before the 3 phases of human trials begin. Then, phase 1 has 100 people, phase 2 has 1,000 participants, and phase 3 of human trials includes more than 1,000 people testing. Covaxin was approved while still undergoing the phase 3 trials, also known as the clinical trial mode, which means that all the recipients of the vaccine will still be tracked and monitored like clinical trial patients. And approving Covaxin was criticized by many. The All India Drug Action Network, a non-profit medical body, was quick to make an objection about how this doesn't reinforce faith in the medical decision-making bodies, along with other notable figures objecting against the same. Now here's a tiny positive side to it. Reports suggested that Covaxin will only be used as a backup in case there is a surge in cases. And secondly, this vaccine is more likely to work against the UK mutated strain and other strain because of its nature. Now critics have been relentless about the fact that they believe that the vaccine might be safe, but they only need the numbers to back it up. And trust us or give it a chance is not something they want a scientific body like the DCGI telling the general public. Hi! Thanks for watching Logically India. What are your thoughts about the vaccine? Or would you even consider using the vaccine? Let us know in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We make fact-checking episodes like this on weekly basis. So if there's anything you want us to fact-check, let us know in the comment section below. Or download the Logically app for quick fact-checking services. This is Team Logically, signing out.